All right, so there's a lot going around the world saying that Trump did this right here and broke and just instantly took out everybody and just made a bunch of money because they knew that he was gonna put out the announcement for the Iran thing. And let me take a maybe right, but let's look at a different narrative. Okay, so let's go into the replay of that real quick, and then we can see that volume burst right there, which makes sense. If they knew that it was coming. Let me turn something on. All right. So this is a weekly candle turned into this zone here. This is a previous weekly candle turned into this zone here. These are zones of value. Okay. This is what I trade, value. Now, I want you to watch something real quick. Okay. I'm just going to click play. Where did it stop? See that? All right. So what does that mean? Well, that was the end cap for the previous week. Price was going there anyways. And it just went there faster because of some type of catalyst. Now, how can you know that this was going to happen? All right, I can show you. So what we're going to do, and this is a trade I would have taken long and I would have held to that weekly zone there, but it just happened really fast. So I'm going to turn this one on. This is actually going to be a 45-minute candle turned into these value zones here. Okay, now watch this. So we're going to be, this is what I use to execute on most of the time is 45-minute candles. So we're looking at, there's that burst right there of volume, that rejected value. See that? And I'm going to show you where the real entry is. Once you see that engulfing candle, like everybody teaches you, we're looking for an entry now, right? Break over the zone, value zone. We get a retest and a breakdown. Okay, I'll take that. And then we're going to target, we're going to put our stop below the value of the 45-minute candle, and we're going to target the 4-hour end cap, just like that. See this? Now watch. There you go. And if you look at what happened here, we get a new 45-minute candle. We come down. This is the wick of the 45-minute candle. Break up, engulfed over. We get our retracement, pull over, pull back, enter off the value area. And all you're doing is targeting that end cap that was there, but it's gone now. Price was going there regardless. It just went there really fast.